Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on Expedia. This is one of the most straightforward ways to compare flight options and secure your travel plans all in one place. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will give you access to your account and any saved preferences or rewards you might have. After logging in, look at the top menu and click on Flights. This takes you to the flight booking interface where you'll be able to search for available options. Now you'll see a choice between round trip, one-way, or multi-city. Select your preferred option based on your travel needs. Most people choose round trip, but if you're planning a more complex itinerary, multi-city is a great choice. Next, you'll need to enter your travel locations. In the Leaving From field, type your departure city or airport. Then, in the Going To field, type your arrival city or airport. Expedia will auto-suggest airports as you type, making it easier to pick the right one. Now, select your departure date and return date using the calendar that pops up. Make sure the dates align with your travel plans, as this will directly affect the available flights and pricing. After setting your dates, click on the Travelers dropdown. Here you can adjust the number of passengers by clicking the minus and plus buttons for adults, children, infants on lap, and infants in seat. This ensures you're booking for the correct number of people traveling with you. While you're in this section, navigate to Cabin Class and click the drop-down menu. You'll see options like Economy, Premium Economy, Business Class, and First Class. Select your preferred option from the list, then click Done. This helps filter flights that match your comfort and budget preferences. Once everything is set, click Search. The page will take a few seconds to load as Expedia pulls together all available flights based on your criteria. Now browse through the list of departing flights. Once you find one that suits your schedule and budget, click Select in the right panel to proceed. This locks in your departure flight. Next, you'll see a list of returning flights. Browse through them, and once you've made your choice, click Select in the right panel again. The page will take a moment to load as it compiles your full itinerary. Take a moment to review all your trip details carefully. Check the dates, times, airlines, and any layovers to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Checkout in the right panel, then click Continue to Checkout. This brings you to the Payment and Traveler Information page. Fill out the traveler's first name, last name, and phone number. This information is required for ticketing and communication purposes. Next, enter your debit or credit card number, expiration date, including month and year, and the security code. Then fill out the billing address, city, state, and zip code. Double-check that all payment details are accurate to avoid any issues with processing. Finally, scroll down and click Complete Booking. Your flight reservation will be processed, and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly after. And that's it. You've successfully booked a flight on Expedia. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.